Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Kraken charts for trading. Charts are one of the most powerful tools for trading on Kraken. Instead of guessing when to buy or sell, charts help you analyze price movements, identify trends and make informed decisions. While Kraken charts may look complex at first and they follow simple principles understanding price direction, key levels and timing, and once you learn how to use them, you can trade more confidently and avoid common beginner mistakes. So open your Kraken app and make sure to log in with your Face ID or your password as well. And over here what you can do is under this most popular coins or your cryptocurrency, select one of the currency here. Over here you can find the chart of the cryptocurrency as well. You can also select your time frame depending on your goal. You can find this 24-hour, 1W, 1 week, 1 month or 6 months as well, and identify the trend. If it's on the uptrend, price is rising, look for the buying opportunity. Downtrend, price is falling, avoid buying or look to sell. On the sideways way, to trade carefully and trade with the trend, not against it. And you can also overview it and you can find the order and transaction as well. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you how to use Kraken charts for trading. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.